This is going to be Ted Zysk shooting his half-size turkeys at 385 meters, which is about 400 yards away. He's using an iron sight, open sight, XP100 pistol with a chamber cartridge of 6mm BR, bench rest. Ted is the current record holder at this half-size. He shot 30 out of 40 targets. Nobody else has even come close to that. Today he's already shot his chickens and his pigs. He's got 7 chickens and 6 pigs going into his turkeys, his first bank. To give you an idea how small these are, let's zoom back and take a look at the range and the other shooters.
Keep the screwdriver handy when you need more.
Take a look at that. Amazing.
Okay, still pretty much the same. Okay, it's starting to brighten up a little bit too.
Fire. 1 inch down from top and back, center windage.
Hit it. Yeah, you did. Don't ask me where.
That's scary. We can't do this shit.
Over the top, Jim, a couple inches, center windage.
Okay, wind is still pretty much the same, so no change. Raj still flat on the ground.
The shooting target number 3.
Just over the top of the back, perfect windage.
Okay.
Half inch.
Center mast, a couple inches left.
Okay, wind is slowing down a little bit. Raj is starting to lift. Perfect.
Center elevation,
1
got
inch
him
right
on
of center.
extreme right-hand side of the breast.
You can't do this, Ted. It's a
I know, I
physical
can't do
impossibility. You know this.
I know.
Center elevation, a couple inches left of center.
Just over the curve of the tail on the left side.
Okay, they're facing right, huh?
Huh?
I think if they're facing right, huh?
Yeah, they're facing right. Sorry about that. Everything's facing right.
Okay.
Okay. Last bird. Just over the top of the back. Good windage.
I might have to come down a click on these.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Okay, Ted Zysk is now going to shoot his second bank of turkeys. Jerry Ray is doing the spotting duties for him.
You put in your elevation change.
Wind has died.
Okay.
Not much going on as far as a mirage.
Yeah. Luckily.
Fire. Fire.
Yeah, give me 2 clicks left. The elevation was good. You were about 2 clicks to the right. Oh, great. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit from right to left, Ted.
Okay.
Just to the right and high.
I never
You're
saw
about neck height.
Huh? Didn't see anything.
Off to the right. Just over the curve of the slightly left of
Over
center.
the a couple inches, Jim. Center windage.
I'm a little high, Ted.
Okay.
It is starting to brighten up, and we are getting a little more mirage.
Wow, that is. I'm holding down 3 shots.
Down, and I think it was.
Actually, it ricocheted off the
Well, it
top
might
of
be
the rail.
a dream to get 20.
Just off the tip of the tail, good elevation.
So it's trying to come out a little bit.
Jiggling. Oh.
Yes, there's a zero. Sorry about that.
Ted Zysk is now going to his half-size rams. Zoom in those a little bit.
Rams. Light's about the same as it was before.
Okay, bank 2. Behind the left rear leg, 2 inches above belly.
Okay, you were at rail height.
Okay. How's the windage?
Windage was pretty good. You would have been within the target.
Okay. Low.
Yeah, I can't. You ricocheted off of something, Ted.
Yeah.
It impacted up on the
place.
hill, but you had to have hit something in the grass to do it. It looks like you went low between the legs, Ted. Just off to the right. Chest tight. Just off the chest.
Oh, that was just a fast shot on that last one. Trying to
Your
get it
elevation was pretty good, but you're off to the right.
off. Yeah.
We're coming up on Ted Zysk's second bank of rams. This will be the conclusion of his score. Let's see how he does.
Right, Jim, doing the turkeys.
30 seconds.
Right, still straight up.
Yeah, on the pigs I went back to my normal setting. I would turn up a click extra for the white targets.
Okay.
Okay, that's quite a bit to the right, Ted, and low.
Where it was. It broke pretty good.
There's no wind. That's going pretty much straight up.
You're going just over the top. Right behind the horn, just over the top.
Got it.
Just to the left of the leg, the rear leg, low and to the left.
Still running low, huh?
Yeah, still running low.
Over the back, left side of the animal still. You're in line with the left edge
Okay, your
of the
elevation
leg.
was good. You're just off to the butt to the left. Give me a clicker right.
Well, at least I'm consistent, huh, Marty? When I'm inconsistent.
Right. Well, you had two misses on the left edge of the
Hit the
leg, and you
rail.
had one hit on the
Wow,
left
underneath
side, in line with the
Yeah, the
left
light's
edge.
changing.
Yeah.
Can't keep
That number
up on
two,
it fast enough.
Yeah, it's light starting
it
to
fell
brighten up.
forward.
Cloud cover's
It looked
starting
like
to
you-
lift, and it's starting to warm
Kick
up.
the leg out. You went from the
Rear
left
leg.
to the left.
Nice body height.
And that was about point of aim on the last shot. Instead of running low.
Could I suggest
Okay, so that completes Ted's firing for score. He ends up with 2 rams. Ted, what was your total then?
4, I shoot.
7, 6, 13, 14, 15.
Because there is
17.
about a
17.
or a second
So that's in the range of what we used to do before Ted posted his 30.
Normal stuff.
That's normal stuff.
on type.
Okay, good shooting, Ted.